Dear connections, welcome to the 10th volume of this series. Today, I am going to explain another more important feature in the first station. The very first station will have pilot pierce holes. For pilot pierce, we use die buttons. We use standard Dayton brand die buttons. These die buttons are fitted into a holder, which is doweled or pocketed into the subplate or into the lower die shoe. Die buttons are having precision slide fit into the holder, and are retained by a key. When we need to replace the die button, we take out key, and then pull the die button from the holder. We usually have a taper relief, but we use step relief also if customer standard asks for it. In this example, we have 3 pilot pierce holes in the first station, and so we have 3 die buttons. We use 10% die clearance all around. The die land is usually 10 mm. There will be standard ball lock Dayton punch in upper detail, of which I will explain when I start upper die details.